Hey, what's going on guys? This is Ali and welcome to the second part of this tutorial series. In previous tutorial we have installed the Telerik package that contains some layout, HTML and database. We have also configured the database and display data in the data grid. In this tutorial we will bind the data grid to the database and we'll see how to display images, employee name, etc. So let's start. First of all, open the index page. So go to Solution Explorer, under the Views folder, under the Invoice folder, open index page. We will reference this view into our home page. So first of all, set layout to null here. This will prevent the duplication of script. Okay, now open the home index and search for invoices. And remove this from here. The action method name is the index and the controller name is invoice. Save the project and run it and see the result. So we have successfully bind the data grid with database values. Now we will change the date format, which is not looking good. So go to the invoices index view and change the date format here. Right format, okay, save the project and refresh the page and see the result. Okay, the date is looking good now. Guys, now we will display employee images and employee full name here. To do this, open up the index page and search employee list view. Employee list view. Move this from here to here and remove this UL from here. html.kindle.listview kindle q is boilerplate.employees. We will add some properties to the data grid. Dot name, this will represent the ID of your control. Employee list, client template ID, employee template. This is the name of the template that we will create later. So this is the very advanced feature of Telerik UI. You can create custom template and display it anywhere in the page. Okay, so don't confuse here. We will add a tag name. The tag name is UL, and after this we will add a data source. Data source, such that data source dot read such that read dot action. Action name is employee list. This action name doesn't exist, we will create it after this. Dot selectable list view selection mode dot single. Okay, save the project and copy this action name from here. Open the home controller, create an action method here, stop the project, paste the name of the action method, which is employee list read. Using Kendo MVC UI, data source request, this data source request attribute is responsible to fill this request. Okay, now we will use the entity framework to fetch data from database. So write for employee equals db.employees.order by, we will set the order by first name, e.first name, we will return the JSON. So write return JSON employees dot to data source result, pass the request object, model state, in JSON behavior allow get, capitalize the T here and the list view is almost done. Now we need to create a template for displaying images with full name. The template is very advanced feature of Telerik UI. So now we need to create that template. To do this, scroll down and come to the bottom of the page and search Kendo templates. Within Kendo templates we will create template. So I have already typed the code for the template. I will just copy and paste it right here. Okay, this will render the images of the employee and this will display the full name of employee. So run the project and see the result. So we have successfully displayed employee images with full name. That's it for today guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something new. In next tutorial we will see how to hook up events. For example, when you click on an employee, the employee name and image should be displayed here, and all data related to that employee should be displayed in the grid view. So please rate, comment and subscribe my channel and watch the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.